Google Drive and you want to create a new slide deck, if you move over to the arrow here, you're going to see that you can create a blank presentation or you can create from a template. So let's just look at that. So if we go to a template, you're going to notice that there's a template gallery that you can choose from and you could use. Now, if you also look at the top here, this is the general template gallery, but we also have a Penn Manor School District gallery. So if you go into that gallery, you might find something that you would like to use here. For instance, welcome to back to school night template. So all you need to do is click on that template and you can download that template and begin using it for yourself. Also in the top corner is a submit template if you have something that you'd like to submit that others could use. So this template is ready to go and this is my own copy. So now I can do what I want with this template. Now, for now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete this template because I'm not going to use it. I'm going to move it to the trash. That only deletes it from my drive. So if you'll notice, if we go to the template gallery, the template is still located here in the template gallery. Now that you know that there's a template gallery here, let me show you where you can find even more templates. So one of the sites that you could go to is called Mania. This is probably one of my favorite sites for templates. And if you look, there are all kinds of templates, but there is a specific one for education where you can find choice boards, games, weekly planners, all kinds of things. So you can go through here and let's just say I want to do a choice board. I can go to the choice boards. I can find a choice board that I want to use in my class. So if I want to use this one, then I can just go here. And if I move down, I can see what it looks like. And I can open it in Google Slides. So now that is going to open it in Google Slides. And if I go up to the top right-hand corner, I can click to use a template. So now that is going to download and give me a copy of this for myself. So this is now my copy of that template and I can make it whatever I want. So another site to go to is Slides Carnival. So Slides Carnival also has an area for education. So if you just click on education, the different education templates will show up here as well. So again, same thing. You can go through here. Now it does not split it out into different categories like Slides Mania does. But now if I click on this here, I can go to the template. I can see it here and I can preview and download it by clicking here. I can now also download this template into Canva, which is something new. So if I want to download this into Google Slides, I can just click here. And again, it's going to force me to make a copy. So all I have to do is make a copy. The next site is called Slides Go. And again, they do have an education section. So if I click on education, I can find various things that might have to do with my class. So if I want to do something about social emotional learning, that one is premium. So I don't believe I can use that. I would have to purchase that. So we'll go back. And I can find one that is not a premium, and I'm going to select this, download the template, and it's about to download, and it's going to force me to make a copy. So this site is called Slides Gala. So you're going to notice there's different categories across the top of the page, but none of them are education. There are also the latest templates are located below. So let's go to the top and let's go to Creative. So if I go to Creative and I find a template that I like. So I like this Creative Magic one. If I click View Template, now also note underneath here, there are advertisements on here. So click on View Template. Now here's where you want to make sure you click the right place because you're going to see Download Now. This is for another advertisement. And also over to the left-hand side, there are other things to click download, but they are also for advertisements. So the thing that you want to know is up in the top left-hand corner is where you can use as a Google Slides theme. So go ahead and click on that, and then you can make a copy of this theme from here. I hope this helps you with your Google Slides so that you can see how many templates are available for you to save you time when creating your lessons.